What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Is the Bitcoin and crypto bull run over? Are we in a bear market? Right now, we'll be looking at the total crypto market cap. Guys, we're looking at the physiology of a market cycle and how we're feeling right now. And then, guys, we'll also look at the different phases of a market cycle, and I'll tell you which phase we are in right now. It's very, very important. We'll take a look at the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll finally look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum market cap chart. And guys, all these charts will tell us, are we in the bear market or not? Is the bull run over? Are we in the bear cycle? We'll be answering all those questions. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So guys, at the point of recording this video, one Bitcoin is going for $29,683. Bitcoin has been experiencing a lot of dump. Many people say we have never in history have 7 red weekly candles, but right now we're actually going on our 8th weekly candle. When will the dump stop? Your guess is as good as mine. People are still expecting new all-time high for Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin is really high in price. For context sake, we'll be looking at so many charts. Quickly, let's look at Bitcoin. You can see that Bitcoin previous all-time high that happened in 2017, 2018, guys, was around this 19,900. Some people call it 20,000. Let's approximate. Bitcoin got to as high as $20,000. Right now, Bitcoin is currently trading at $29,000. That's still above its all-time high. Are we going to dump? Are Bitcoin going to come back and touch its all-time high? Many people have been saying it on Twitter, on many forums, that Bitcoin has never set a new all-time high, gone on a full cycle, set another new all-time high, and come back and touch the previous all-time high. So Bitcoin has never done what it's about to do right now. That's coming back to 20K. Will this time be different? Only time will tell. From the bottom of the market, Bitcoin actually bottomed at $3,000. A lot of people are calling ridiculous prices for Bitcoin. Bitcoin to 100K, Bitcoin to 200K. But from the bottom of the market, guys, Bitcoin went up over 1,900%. Guys, that is really crazy. Bitcoin has actually gone on its bull run, and I feel like we're in the ending phases of this market cycle. Guys, markets actually happens in cycles. I'll be showing you what I actually mean by that. But let's take a look at the total crypto market cap. Total crypto market cap actually topped at $3 trillion. Guys, at the bottom of the market, total crypto market cap was $93 billion. This is including Bitcoin, Ethereum. Everything in crypto you see today was actually valued at just as little as $98 billion just over 2 years ago. Right now, we're up over 2,900% on the total crypto market cap, where we topped at $3 trillion. Total crypto market cap is dumping right now. We're in $1.27 trillion. Guys, we have actually wiped away over 1.5 billion from the total crypto market cap. So we're dumping really hard. We're down 63% from the all-time high, but you can see that we have not even actually touched the previous all-time high we set in 2018. This was when altcoins were going crazy. Bitcoin got to 20K, and we've not gotten there. And the total crypto market cap then was 751 billion. Just for context sake, guys, Bitcoin in this bull run got to as high as $1.2 trillion. So you can see that the whole of crypto actually expanded exponentially, and that's why I believe we're in the ending phases of this market cycle. We're in the last phases, and we'll still see downward motion. We'll still see us dump harder. I still believe Bitcoin, you see these lines I put here, I believe Bitcoin might still dump lower, but only time will tell, guys. You can see the crypto market has been experiencing dumps for the last 2 months consecutive. This is a chart showing us the last 1 month. A lot of coins are down. Key among them is Luna. Luna's case is special, but Luna is down 100%. You can see FTM down 70%. A lot of these coins are down more than 50% in the last 1 month. So does this happen in a bull cycle? Yes, guys. In a bull market, sometimes we have this kind of dip, but not this long. You don't see us dumping and just going sideways for over 6 months and still think that we're in a bull cycle. Guys, a lot of people are feeling pain, a lot of people are feeling anger, and this is the Wall Street cheat sheet. Now, people say that once you're in the market, you have an emotion that you're feeling. Is that you're happy? Is that you're sad? It's either you want to buy more, you want to tell your friends. Somebody realized that all the emotions you go through a market cycle comes around to form a cycle. So the market happens in cycles, and we have the good times, we have the bad times. That's how all market goes. If you're in the dump, you're after some very, very long time, you're going to enjoy the pump. And if you stay too long in the pump, guess what? You are going to enjoy the dump coming soon. Right now, guys, I believe we're in this period of pump. You can see that the early stages of the bull market, of the bull cycle, is the disbelief rally, where people will not believe that the market is pumping because they are used to so many downward rally. They are used to so many rally failing. They will not believe the market is pumping. Then when the market start pumping, some people will still be holding their stable coins and don't want to join the train. When they just see that the market actually start getting to new all-time, at least assuming Bitcoin just broke 20k here, that's when many people start saying, oh my god, new all-time high, Bitcoin, yada yada yada. Now Bitcoin start getting to 30k around this belief stage. This is time where people now start selling their cars, selling their houses, and just doing everything because everybody thought Bitcoin was going to 300,000 and above. This is that region in time here. This is the belief stage where people are just selling everything. This is when Elon Musk bought Bitcoin, announced it on Twitter. Everywhere was very, very bullish. We're in extreme greed. And then we got to the next stage, which was Trill. Guys, this is the stage where people actually started going out of their way to find money, to borrow, to just get some more crypto. They didn't want to leave enough money on the table. They're like, oh my God, I need to get more. This is the way I'm going to be rich. I included. I went through all these emotions. Then we reached in the top of the market where everybody feels like they're genius because every coin and everything you buy is actually going to the moon. If you look at total crypto market, you can see that this is the range where people are feeling they were geniuses at the top of the market. Luna actually topped here. Bitcoin got to 68, 69k around this region. Ethereum got to 4,800. When Bitcoin got to 68k, we had the same emotions here. People were feeling that thrill. Everybody was feeling like, oh my God, I'm going to be a trader. This is what I should be doing for the rest of my life. Then we have that first huge dip that will happen. Now that first huge dip that will happen, people will still be bullish because they have been experiencing the bull run for months and months. It has just been up only. We have just been going up. So this first dip that happened did not really concern people. They just believe that the bull run will still go on. Yes, a lot of people got bearish here. They sold their coins, but when the rally continued, a lot of people got bullish again. Like you were bearish at the bottom, bullish at the top. That's not what you want to be doing, guys. You want to be bearish at the top, you want to be bullish at the bottom. You want to be doing opposite of what the crowd is doing. A lot of people got their Bitcoin in this top range. A lot of people that are in the market right now, they got their Bitcoin in this range. So right now that Bitcoin is in 29k, a lot of people are feeling pain because they bought those altcoins when it was very, very expensive. They were hearing about it. Oh, this coin has gone 10x in 30 days. This coin has gone from 1 cent to $3. This coin has gone from $1 to $100, yada, yada, yada. You heard about all those success stories, and a lot of people are trying to replicate those stories, and that's when we enter the complacency region where everybody will just be like, you know what, we need to cool off. Even though the bull run has been on for over 2 years, this was around this stage here. Bitcoin got to almost 50k. This was the stage where everybody was supposed to get in out shouting, oh my God, we have been in this bull run since 2018 ending. That's ending 2019. We have been in this bull run about 3 years right now. This is the time to get out because the crypto bull market happens in 4-year cycles. We'll have 3 years of bull run and 1 year of downward motion. It has happened like that like 3 or 4 times. A lot of people are saying it's not going to happen. This time is different. And guys, they always say that's the most dangerous word in investing. This time is different. And the next stage where I just think we just started getting into is anxiety and denial. That's where, why am I getting margin calls? The dip is taking longer than I expected. My investments are with great companies. They will come back. And that's where a lot of people are still, up till now, a lot of people are still to believe we're going to pump. Guys, as a matter of fact, I'm a big bull on the crypto market. I believe we're going to pop eventually. We're going to go to the moon, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. We need to flush the speculators out of the system. A lot of people just are in this market just speculating crazy, outrageous prices. People don't even care what those coins are doing again. All they care is they want to make some profit, and that's not healthy for the market. So right now we're in this phase. We might see end up entering panic and capitulation. Some people say we're in capitulation already. That means a lot of people they can't take the pain anymore. I think that will be around 20k. This $25,000 to $19,000 region for Bitcoin, that will be the region of pain. That's where a lot of people will have to sell their coins for losses. And guys, you can see that after that, we still have anger, depression, and disbelief. But this is what we're going to be experiencing in the bear market, this region right here. So if you're in the market right now, I'll just advise you to prepare for a little pain in the coming future. Guys, we have 4 phases of the market cycle. We have accumulation, markup, distribution, and then markdown phase. And guys, I believe that's what has happened to Bitcoin and the total crypto market. I'll be showing the Bitcoin market cap chart, total crypto market cap chart, and I'll be showing how this has all played out. Now, this is a Bitcoin price chart. This is the accumulation region for Bitcoin. This was when big players were accumulating all their Bitcoin at 3,000, 4,000. They still accumulated some here at 4,000. This was the accumulation range. When they finished accumulating, then we went to the next phase, which is the markup phase. This is where the prices of crypto will start going up very, very fast. Everything will be going to the moon. Everybody will be shouting to the moon, up only. But what you don't know that is because the big players in the market have finished accumulating, that's why the market is going up. Then we had first retracement. Then we had this first dump. This is the big players selling away into profit because they bought it at $3,000. It has gotten $60,000. They're in huge profit. Why should they be holding it? They sold it. Even when we went to new all-time high, retail investors were scooping all these coins for more. Big players were actually selling it. Now, guys, we're in the next phase of this market phase, which is the downward trend. Now, we'll be expecting crypto to actually go low. I'll be showing the Bitcoin price at how low Bitcoin can go. Some people are saying $3,000, $17,000, but if there's anything that is sure, guys, is that we're in the downward trend of the market. We have gone through the accumulation phase, we have gone through the markup phase, we have gone through the distribution phase. And how do you know we have been in the distribution phase, guys? Distribution phase is when you are stuck in a range for over 6 months or a year. You can see that we broke over 28,000 since December 2020. Since then, we have been stuck in this range. We just broke out of the range. That's in May 2022. So we used over 2 years in that range, just going up and down. This was the distribution range when big players were actually distributing their coins. And right now, we're in the downward phase of the market. This is where people will be scared and the market will be going down. You can see this little chart is showing us that the accumulation phase is where you want to be buying. So when the market finishes the markdown phase is where you want to be buying. Then the markup phase, this is up only region. Distribution phase, big players are sharing their coins. Then the markdown, this is where retail investors will leave the market thinking it's all over and yada yada yada. But guys, these cycles always happens because it's called a cycle for a reason. You go up, you come down. You go up, you come down. Right now, we're actually going down. And if you're a smart player in this market, you wait for the market to dump and then you scoop these coins on the cheap. If you want to have those stories of I bought a coin for 5 cents and I sold it for $3, I think this would be the period in time you have to be doing that. Guys, total crypto market from 2014 till date, you can see that total crypto market has experienced a huge jump from as little as $81 million went as high as $3 trillion. So right now, I believe we're going to experience a little dump. You can see that after every huge run up, we have a dump. We had a huge run up here, went up over 1,600%. Then we had a 70-80% dump in the market. We had an 80% dump in the market. Then we went up huge, another over 27,000%. Then we had another dump in the market that took us about a year, and all these dumps take about a year to 87% dump. Then we had another run up for almost 2 years that took us from as low as $93 billion to $3 trillion. And guys, just as usual, expect us to experience another dump if we want to experience the next leg up. Guys, for us to really grow up in this market, we have to enjoy this period of dumps. That's why the market go up eventually, because the smart players will have to accumulate at the bottom and they have to sell the top to the retail investors. The retail investors always come in the markup phase where everything is going up, you're hearing it in the news, yada yada yada, and you don't want to do that. So guys, if you take a look at the Bitcoin price chart and use the Fibonacci extension tool from the top of the previous bull run for Bitcoin to the bottom of the bear market, it's telling us that Bitcoin got high in its Fibonacci extension tool. You can see that Bitcoin got as close as 73k as possible. Now let me show you the total crypto market cap. What the total crypto market cap did. The total crypto market cap, just like Bitcoin, has gone through the accumulation phase, the markup phase, the distribution phase. Right now, I believe we're in the markdown phase. The crypto bull run probably is over. If you use the Fibonacci extension tool on the total crypto market cap, guys, guess what? We have actually gone into our full extension. The market actually topped. This was your exit signal on the 8th of November 2021. We're actually supposed to have exited the market. Then you can see right now we're falling back, and I believe we're going to come back to this region. This is where the big players start accumulating again. I don't think we'll see any rally this year. Maybe we'll pump around ending of this year. But right now we have been dumping for the last 6 months, and most times people only realize this thing when it's very too late. People realize this thing when it's too late. If we also take a look at the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, let's assuming, okay, we take Bitcoin out of the equation. What's the rest of the crypto market telling us? The rest of the crypto market telling us that it got very high. It got to the 3.618 region. Now, many people are waiting for it to get its full extension. You expect total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, to get to almost $2 trillion. Is it possible? Guys, it's very, very possible. Something strange can happen here and the whole market will reverse and will continue pumping to the moon. But I don't think that's very, very likely. I think the bull run has run its course, guys. This is 3 years of continuous upward motion. The total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, went up over 4,200% in those 3 years. That means the average altcoin you are holding went up over like 2,000%. So in these guesses of mine, guys, with all these figures, do you think the bull run is still on? Of course, to be setting new all-time highs, it means from the bottom of the market, we are going higher and higher. And guys, the higher we go, the easier it is for us to fall. Even if we take a look at the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin and Ethereum have gone on their full bull run. They have enjoyed those wonderful gains. We'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum market cap really quickly. But let's look at the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, it's telling us almost the same story. Total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, has actually gone through on a very, very huge run. So if you take the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see that total crypto market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum is up over 4,300%. These are outrageous numbers for irregular investors, but you know, we're in crypto, we see this regularly, so we just assume that it's normal. Guys, it's not normal. You can see that the previous all-time high for the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, was $353 billion. We got as high as $1.13 trillion. That's over 3 times the previous all-time high. Right now, that when the dump, everybody shouting, oh, the market is dipping, we are still above our previous all-time high. So that's why I believe we might come back and touch this previous all-time high or my dump, but I don't believe we're going to see a pump very, very soon. Right now, big players are actually offloading their coins, and that's why I believe the market's in the bear market. You have to make a decision for yourself. Some people are actually going to hold through the bear market, and if you're a hodler, it's not going to be easy. We still have pain, we still have depression in the physiology of the market cycle, where I think we're in just capitulation right now, or we're in panic. We still have anger, depression, and all this to come through. So we still have enough space to go lower. If you think it cannot go lower, guys, always remember it can always go lower. The curious case of Luna, people are buying it at $1 thinking it couldn't go lower. It actually went lower. So total crypto market cap has gotten to its full extension, guys. Should we still be expecting higher prices? If we're going to be expecting higher prices, what's our next target, guys? If we're going to be expecting higher prices, or if the god of crypto just magically shines on us and means that we have not gotten to our full extension and maybe this is just a huge correction, that means the total crypto market cap are going to probably over $10 trillion. Is that possible? Probably not in this bull run. I'll not set my money that in this bull run, Bitcoin will be going to like 200K or some outrageous thing. I think at this time we need to chill a little bit in the total crypto market. There's a lot of Ponzi's in the market. Forget about Luna. A lot of coins are very, very outrageously priced. Coins that don't have utility are going up thousands of percentage points. And if there's anything we know about the market, guys, that the market finds a way to heal itself. Guys, very, very curiously, Bitcoin's market cap and Ethereum market cap hit their full extension. If you go to the top of the previous bull run for Bitcoin to the bottom of the bear market for Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin hit its perfect extension. Bitcoin got as high as $1.22 trillion. And if you had this target since the bear market, you actually got the most out of Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin was $69,000, guys, even Ethereum did the same thing. And that's why I believe the whole market is actually crashing right now, because the major players in the market are the Bitcoin holders and the Ethereum holders. You can see that on the Ethereum price chart, Ethereum got as high as it could on its Fibonacci extension tool. It got the Fibonacci extension to tell us that Ethereum should have gotten as high as $588 billion, but Ethereum got to as high as $574 billion. So for my own money, I think the bull run is over, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you think the crypto bull run is over? Do you think we're going to be seeing higher prices very, very soon? Or we'll have to wait at least 1 year before the market bottoms out, and then we'll now start seeing higher prices. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. You want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Follow me on all social media platforms on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and on Telegram. It's Mr. Legend Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2.